Demonstrate for you how to make notifications from the Forsyth Church of Christ page show up on your notifications. And the first thing you want to do is go to these three little dots on the right hand side toward the top of the page and click on those, and then go up to press follow settings. And on this page, what you want to do is set this to favorites, so you'll see posts higher in your news feed, and then go down and choose what types of posts you want to be notified about. For instance, if you want to be notified about our worship and Bible study videos, then you can click on video and add all notifications. That way, whenever we post a video, you'll receive a notification there. And all you have to do at that point is hit update, and you are through at that point. And so I hope that is helpful to you, and that'll be something you can use. Thanks.